My name is Walter Fuller. I'm from WHO-AFRO, where I am one of the AMR technical officers in charge of antimicrobial stewardship, education and awareness, and One Health. I'm glad to have been part of this very important meeting to look at how to integrate AMR education into veterinary curriculum. This is indeed an important subject, as we know that AMR is indeed multidisciplinary. Obviously, we at WHO are also working in the same area, ensuring that medical professionals, allied health professionals have the AMR competence to be able to be at the forefront in the fight against antimicrobial resistance. And therefore, it is very significant that WOAH is indeed doing this, because as you know, 75% of emerging infectious diseases are zoonotic, and WOAH and veterinarians are very important when it comes to food safety and ensuring our food supply chain. So having this type of exercise, I think, really shows that kind of broad collaboration between the quadripartite in ensuring that we build the core competencies that are needed across the board, whether it be for veterinarians, physicians, and for other practitioners who are involved in the fight against antimicrobial resistance.